Hello friends, welcome in today's lecture. In the last lecture, we saw the result set interface and some example of the JDBC program, that is the essential JDBC program. In that we saw the two programs. First, how to retrieve the data from the student table and how to update the data in the student table. Then in this lecture, we see the third program, that is consider the bank table with the attributes account number, customer name, balance, phone number and address, and write the database application which allows the insertion, updation and deletion of the record in the bank table, and at the last print the value of all the customer whose balance is greater than 20,000. Now in this program we need to create the first bank table having the attribute account number, customer name, balance, phone number and address. And after that we perform the SQL queries for that insertion, updation and deletion of the record in the bank table. So first create the database in Microsoft Access. And for that open the Microsoft Access. Then select the blank database. Okay, then save the database. I am given the database name 5 and the path will be in D drive DB folder database 5. Save. Database 5 already exists. Do you want to replace it? Yes. Okay. I am creating database 5 in the D drive database DB folder. So this is the first step. Create the database in the MS Access. After that, in the program, first import the file import java.sql.start. Then create a class table JDBC demo. Then public static void main string args. Then create a connection object, connection con is equal to null, int result set object rs is equal to null, and statement object statement stat is equal to null. Then in the try block, load the JDBC ODBC driver in the program using the forName method. Class.forName sun.jdbc.odbc.jdbc ODBC driver. Then con is equal to driver manager get connection JDBC ODBC database name. My database name is database 5, comma username is blank and password is also blank. Then stat, that is statement object, is equal to con.create statement. Then using the integer result variable, result is equal to stat.execute update. So execute update method is used to perform a SQL queries. Here first create a table name is blank table and having parameter or attribute is account number, the data type is number, account customer name, data type is varchar 20, balance, data type is number, phone, data type is number, and address having data type varchar 30. So this statement create a table, bank table having 5 attributes: account number, customer name, balance, phone and address. After creating table, system.out.println table is created. So if this statement is successfully executed, then print the statement table is created and bank table is created in the database 5. After that, use the next SQL query, that is insert into. The insert method or query is used to insert the record into the table. So having syntax is result is equal to stat.execute update insert into table name bank table plus having attribute account number, customer name, balance, phone and address. Then plus in double quote values 555 is an account number, EE is the customer name, 40,000 is the balance, then this is the phone number, and at the last this is the address. So insert into table name attribute plus values, then attribute values put in the bracket of the values. This statement indicate that the how to insert the record in the table. So same, use the insert SQL statement to insert the record into the table. Here I am inserted 5 record in the table. Then using the system.out.println print the inserted table. So system.out.println values inserted in the table. This statement display when all this value inserted into the table. Then next is here we use the delete command. Result is equal to stat.execute update delete from table name bank table where account number is equal to 555. So this statement indicate that the delete the record in the table where the account number is 555. So the account number having 555, this record is deleted using the delete statement, and after deleting print the statement system.out.println value deleted from the table. The next command is update. Result is equal to stat.execute update table name set account number is equal to 100 where the account number is equal to 11. So this statement indicate that the update the account number where the account number is 11, means those account number is 11 that will be updated by the account number 100. And after executing this statement system.out.println value updated from the table and updated record is as follow, and display the updated record using the result set objector. RS is equal to stat.execute query select start from bank table where the account number is equal to 100. Okay, see here at the time of inserting the record no one having the account number is 100. So those account number is 11, that account number is replaced or updated by the account number 100, and all these record of the displayed in the command prompt, means account number, customer name, balance, phone and address. Then next is using the next method display the or it point to the next rows. System.out.println account number is equal to rs.get objector. One is the column value, means first column dot to string. Same, these two indicate that the second column, and our bank table having 5 columns. So according that all the columns values is returned in the or displayed in the command prompt. After that system.out.println following record having the salary is greater than 20,000. So this statement display the whose account number or customer having the salary greater than 20,000. So for that use the result set objector. RS is equal to stat.execute query select start from bank table where balance is greater than 20,000, and after that print the account number, name and balance for the particular record having the balance is 20,000. Then in the while rs.next, if rs is not equal to null then system.out.println rs.getObject first column name dot toString plus in double quote bracket plus rs.getObject second column dot toString plus in double quote bracket plus rs.getObject third column dot toString. So this statement indicate that they display the record having the salary greater than 20,000. And next, complete the try block. In the catch block, having exception class not found exception e system.error.println exception plus e dot get message, and catch SQL exception e system.error.println exception plus e dot get message. Then here use the also finally block. In that try, if rs is not equal to null, then rs dot close and rs is equal to null. And if stat, that is statement object, are not equal to null, then statement dot close and state is equal to null. And for the connection object, con is not equal to null, then con dot close and con is equal to null. And the last, catch SQL exception e. Then complete the catch block, complete the class. Then save the code table JDBC demo. This is the Java code for creating the table bank table, and after that insert the record in the bank table, update the record in the bank table and delete the record in the bank table. After writing the JDBC Java code, first you connect the JDBC ODBC driver or system DSN, and for that open the control panel, double click on administrator tools, then select the data source ODBC. In that, go to the system DSN. First delete or remove all the databases in the system DSN. Click on a remove and remove that one. After that, click on a add button. Select the Microsoft Access star.mdb and star.accdb. Select and click on a finish. After that, give the source name. I am giving the source name database 5. Okay, then click on a select and select your database. I am creating a database 5 in a D drive DB folder. And database name is database 5. Okay, here I am selecting the database 5. After selecting, click on a OK button. Once again click on a OK button. So this procedure indicates that create the DSN for your database, and for that we follow these steps. First go to the administrator tools, then go to the data source name ODBC, then select the system DSN, and after that add your database in the system DSN. So whenever you perform the database related program, this step is required for the create the DSN for your database, and the particular database name used in the program, that database name give in the system DSN. After that, in the program, save the code and first compile the code. Program name Java C, program name table JDBC demo.java. It is successfully compiled. Then run the code. Before running the program, first see our database 5. I am saving this database in D drive DB folder in database 5. Here in the database 5 no table is created. Total database 5 is blank. So after run the code, table JDBC demo, first create the table, bank table, and insert the data into the bank table, and after that delete and update operation is performed. So run the code, Java, program name, table JDBC demo. See here, this is the output of our program. So table is created in the database 5. Bank table is created using the SQL statement create table, having the 5 attributes: account number, customer name, balance, phone, and address. So this statement successfully executed and the table is created. Then next statement is value inserted in the table. So after creating the table, using the insert SQL statement, we insert the record into the table. Here I am inserting 5 record and it is successfully executed. Then print the statement value inserted in the table. Okay, then next is value deleted from the table. Using the delete SQL statement, delete the record, delete from the table, bank table, where the account number is 555. So the account number having 555, this record will be deleted in the bank table. Then next is value updated from the table, and updated record is as follow. In the next program, we use the update query, update bank table, set account number 100 where the account number is 11. Means those account number is 11 is updated account number 100. So display the all the attributes of the account number 100. Account number is 100, customer name is AAE, balance is 25000, means 25,000, phone number and address Ichalkaranji. Then following record having the salary greater than 20,000. Next statement is here display the salary greater than 20,000. So in the bank table, those account or customer having the salary greater than 20,000, that will be displayed in the command prompt using the statement dot execute query, select star from bank table where the balance is greater than 20,000. So this is the output of our program. Now check the database. In database, bank table is created. See here, I am creating database 5. Here bank table is created, and in that first using insert, we have inserted the 5 record, and using the delete command, delete the 1 record having the account number is 555. Okay, and update the account number having the account number 11 updated by 100 using the update query. So this is the bank table, and this is the output of our program. This program shows the how to create the table, how to insert the data into the table, then how to delete the particular record from the table, and how to update the record in the table. So this Java program shows the create table, insertion into the table, delete from the table, and update the record in the table. So this is the sample program how to insert, delete, update the record in the table. Here our 5th chapter is completed. So in this chapter we seen the introduction to JDBC, ODBC, then JDBC architecture, then types of the JDBC drivers, also saw some driver interfaces and driver manager, then use of the connection interface, statement interface, prepare statement interface, and result set interface. And at the last we saw some essential JDBC programs. In that program we saw how to insert the table into the database, how to create the table, then some update delete query, SQL query. So we have seen these three programs. First program we will see how to retrieve the data from the table. In second program we will see the how to update the data in the table, and at the last in this lecture we studied the how to create the table, how to insert the data into the table, how to delete the some record from the table, and how to update the data into the table. And for performing the JDBC related program, first we create the database in the Microsoft Access and add the system DSN into the data source. Then we'll get the correct output. Thank you.